puppy eyes. My humans left. I wonder when they'll get back. I miss my mommy human. I miss my daddy human. I miss the little humans. I miss them so much. They were so happy to go away. Something about COVID-19 gone. And now there's no more masks to steal from them. My humans were so happy to go back to work and school. They were jumping and clapping with glee, and I played with them, but then they left.
Before we go any further, please make sure to like this video, subscribe to this channel, and comment for the YouTube algorithm. Thank you, and enjoy the rest of this video.
My humans left. The phone keeps ringing. There's no more extra treats from the children leaving crumbs on the floor and the table. And all I can do is sing all day long. Hey, where'd everyone go? Where's the water balloons and the water pistols that the kids used to shoot at me all the time? Those baby humans are gone. Oh, COVID-19 left, and I'm so bored. No more dog park or walks with the humans 5 times a day. When will they come back? Yay! School is open! Hallelujah! We get to see our friends!